going to a mechanic can sometimes feel like walking into a trap. They often charge you up to $100 for labor on simple fixes that literally take less than 5 minutes of your time. If you want to stop overpaying and keep your hard-earned money in your pocket, you are in the right place. Today, we are uncovering 5 incredibly easy DIY car fixes that anyone can do right at home, no professional training or expensive tools required. Let's dive in. First up is your car's breathing system, the engine and cabin air filters. Dealerships and local mechanics love to charge $50 to $80 to replace these during a routine oil change. But here is the industry secret: the actual filters only cost around $15 online, and changing them requires absolutely zero tools. For the engine filter, just pop your hood, locate the black plastic housing box near the engine, unclip the metal tabs, swap the old dirty filter with a fresh one, and snap it shut. For the cabin filter, it's usually hidden right behind your glove box. Just empty your glove box, press the side tabs to drop it down, pull out the plastic tray, and slide the new filter in. This keeps your engine healthy and your cabin air smelling fresh. Fix number 2 is something we all ignore until it starts pouring rain: windshield wiper blades. If your wipers are leaving blurry streaks across your glass or making that annoying screeching sound, they are completely worn out. A mechanic might charge you an hour of labor just to click a new set on. In reality, almost 90% of modern cars use a simple J-hook mechanism or a small push tab. All you need to do is lift the wiper arm, press the tiny plastic tab underneath, and slide the old blade right off. Then, slide the new one on until you hear a solid click. It honestly takes longer to unbox the new wipers than it does to install them. Number 3 is a trick that can save you from a car that won't start: cleaning corroded battery terminals. Over time, battery gases cause a crusty white or blue substance to build up around the terminals. This blocks the electrical current, making your car struggle to crank, and a mechanic might try to sell you a brand new battery. Before buying anything, mix a tablespoon of regular baking soda into a cup of warm water. Pour it directly over the corroded terminals. You'll see it fizz and instantly dissolve the crust. Grab an old toothbrush, scrub away the remaining residue, wipe it dry with a rag, and apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or Vaseline to prevent future buildup. Your battery connection will be as good as new. Number 4 is a major lifesaver when electronics fail: replacing a blown fuse. If your phone charger suddenly stops working, your radio goes completely dark, or a single headlight won't turn on, don't panic. It is rarely a massive electrical failure. It's usually just a cheap 50-cent fuse doing its job to protect your car. Look up your car's fuse box location in the owner's manual. It's typically under the dashboard or under the hood. The plastic cover will have a labeled map showing exactly what each fuse controls. Use the small plastic puller tool inside the box to tug the fuse out. Hold it up to the light. If the tiny metal strip inside is broken or burnt, it's blown. Just push a new fuse of the exact same color and amperage rating into the slot, and you're good to go. Finally, number 5, restoring cloudy, yellow headlights. Over years of sitting in the sun, the plastic on your headlights degrades, turning yellow and foggy. This doesn't just make your car look old, it severely cuts down your visibility at night. A detailing shop will happily charge you $100 for a professional restoration. Instead, go to your bathroom and grab a tube of standard white toothpaste, not the gel kind. Squeeze a generous amount onto the headlight and rub it firmly with a microfiber cloth in tight circular motions for about 3 minutes. The mild abrasives in the toothpaste gently polish away the top layer of oxidation. Wipe it clean with a wet towel, and you'll be amazed at how crystal clear your headlights become. Taking care of your car doesn't mean you have to drain your wallet at the repair shop. With just a little bit of patience, you can handle these basic fixes yourself. Which of these DIY tips are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If this video saved you a trip to the mechanic, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart, money-saving car tips. See you in the next one.